Hello, ass wipes. Well, I'm back. I'm here as a fuck you blanket falling down on the bold Claus. I'm here on the 6th day of Crazy Clown's Christmas to deliver you a fantastic video. Fuck you, blanket. You're going on a night, you creep. I know what you do in your free time.
What's wrong with you, Bird Claus? Why do you act like a weirdo?
Because I can. Today, we'll be prank calling you on my new phone so he doesn't have the number. The man who makes the snow. I suck nut. If you're wondering, that's my tree. But Mr. Claus couldn't afford a better one. We can buy presents for him, but he can't afford a good fucking tree. Speak a better fucking answer. It's calling.
You didn't answer. Call him again.
Asshole! Hello, is this the Ice Knight? This is the board Claus. No, I don't want to hear about your balls. I am wondering, what do you want for Christmas? No, I don't want to hear about your balls. Why do you keep saying balls? Do you have an infection in your balls?
I'm not talking about balls, I'm talking about bells.
Ooh, booze. He's talking about the booze. Yeah, you're going on the naughty list, fucker. Well,
That was blunt to the point, huh?
this is why we don't make direct calls. Well, as soon as they all want to sit on your lap as a kid, but as soon as a teenager, they just want